the engine and airframe needing very little maintenance.
Underwater inspections play an important role in our bridge maintenance and management program.
We're building better roads across our state, improving safety, boosting maintenance, and targeting investment where it's needed most.
Between 1977 to 2017, local governments spent about 70% more on the operation and maintenance of systems than on capital expenses to replace or install new infrastructure.
Using one type of plane almost exclusively throughout its history helped keep maintenance costs low and made it easier to swap one plane for another.
Maintenance is vital to help keep you and your Subaru moving safely, and its service intervals are based on months passed or miles driven, whichever comes first.
Run a maintenance sweep.
Right. So our total maintenance cost for the first year of ownership only came to $72.
You're a little high maintenance.
You are on my list.